I'm going to make a Schlage. So it's a 5-pin bump key for
Schlage.
And this is going to use the Framon Code Machine. It just creates these things nice, quick, and easy. Going to take a 5-pin blank. I'm going to go the deepest cuts is a 9. So I'm going to set it up. My cuts start at 231. That's from the shoulder to the first cut is 231. I'm going to cut a 9 depth on 5 right the way across. The 6-pin would be exactly the same, just add the 6 cut. So now I'll cut it on the Framon Code Machine. I'm going to change, the spacing is 156. So this block doesn't have 156, so I'm going to change the block. And where's one? There's the 156. And my first cut starts at 231, so I'm going to zero this all the way out. Get that out of the way. Okay, so I zero it, and my first cut's at 231, so I go 50, 100, 150, 200, and 31. Now in this case, I'm going to have to use this other. I'm going to zero it out to the first cut here. And again, we're using the 156 there. So my depth is 200. I got my first space ready. I'll turn the key machine on. Make sure you wear your safety glasses. First cut. I'm just going to hold her back a little bit. First cut. I'll move it to the second cut. Third cut. I don't have to reset because I'm already set to the 9 depth. There's the fourth cut to a 9. Fifth cut. And there we go. Quick, simple, easy. There's the key. I'll put it over here. Yeah. So there's our 5-cut Schlage, C key or SC1, and the cut started. So from the shoulder to the first cut, center was 231, and we did a 9 all the way across, 999, and the spacing on this was 156. So again, very simple, very quick. We could open it up. Some people like to open it up with a file. I just find this just works great right off the bat. And we'll have another video. We'll show you how to make a push key out of this. But right now we're going to make it, this is just strictly a bump key. It's really cool, really fast and easy. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.